Hello guys, so next video is of a boy, well a model I should say, and he was looking down and I actually really enjoyed doing this one. This again pushed me out of my comfort zone, but I think I actually got quite a good representation of this photo. There are definitely rooms for improvement, like the hand's terrible in this one, but it looks more like a stumpy balloon or sausages. But all three were good speed. All three I utilised the Loomis geometric and gestural methods. I feel like I'm starting to improve, and you can actually, instead of the drawings looking more like cartoons, they're becoming more closer to the original actual topic or reference photo, which is obviously the main goal, I should say. So I'll get on with it. For each of them, I actually managed to get he had very floppy curly hair, which because he had his head down, it then flopped past his eyebrows. I didn't want to do it too much or put too much detail into it, purely because I then thought it was going to become really messy looking and not the result that I would want. So I kept it simple, and I believe that I managed to get it, and I'm really happy with the eyes as well. Overall, I'm really happy with the results. As I said, there's definitely, I think I'll concentrate on hands tomorrow, purely because hands can be a hit and miss sometimes, I feel, and definitely need to improve them, which has been self-evident in the past couple of drawings. And yeah, I'm just really happy with the small little victories that I'm gaining more and more of. Let me know what you guys think. Please start a wee conversation in the comments section. Get a wee community going of like-minded artists, hobbyists, or just people in general who enjoy art. Yeah, so take care guys, and thanks very much for listening. Bye!